Now, it will also be the commitment from the community that will help us stay not only where we are, but improving our numbers as we go forward.
Spokane County has seen a downward trend in most COVID metrics here in the last few weeks. That includes hospitalizations as well as daily new cases. Now, in February, the Spokane Regional Health District reported multiple days with new cases in the double digits.
And that's actually a step in the right direction after consistently daily positive cases at 100 or more. Our Ian Smay spoke with Spokane's interim health officer about the numbers. He is live in the newsroom tonight to explain. Ian?
That's right. I spoke with Dr. Francisco Velasquez today about the latest trends in coronavirus data for Spokane County. While many people may point to the recent vaccination push spearheaded by the Spokane Arena mass vaccination site, Velasquez says it really comes down to our personal behavior and habits.
If you recall, for the last few weeks, I've made the comment that our numbers are trending in the right direction.
Spokane's interim health officer, Dr. Francisco Velasquez, says COVID metrics are down for a few reasons, but the biggest one may come down to personal habits.
So if you look at the literature, the numbers that have improved, and that includes here, have greatly improved because we are following the public health guidance and being mindful about social distancing, gathering, et cetera, et cetera.
Velasquez also said the vaccine rollout and increased testing capacity are factors. If we take a look at the daily case data from February 2nd to February 6th, we can see the start of the downward trend. A mostly steady decrease from 193 cases on the 2nd, with only 71 cases reported on the 6th. While cases had been staying closer to 200 in the weeks past, the last 5 days have shown cases stay closer to 100, with some days even in the double digits. The number of current hospitalizations have seen an even more dramatic drop. This graph shows how many people were listed as currently hospitalized with COVID-19 in Spokane County from February 2nd to February 12th. On the 2nd, 116 people were hospitalized. That has steadily dropped almost every day, with last Friday showing only 57 currently hospitalized. Today, that number remains under 100, sitting at 66. While this may be positive news, Velasquez says we can't let our guard down yet.
If you think about when you're a patient and you start to feel better, your doctor tells you you can't stop taking your medication, even if you start to feel better. So the same thing with this pandemic. Even though we're doing a little bit better, it doesn't mean that we need to stop doing what we're doing.
Dr. Velasquez also said the data does not show schools reopening as a big factor in spreading coronavirus. He is optimistic people followed health guidelines and avoided large gatherings for Super Bowl Sunday and Valentine's Day. One more thing to note, Spokane County did report 10 new deaths today. This is the first time in quite a while the county's reported a double-digit increase in daily deaths. Whitney, Mark?